Welcome to the Arcanum Workshop Series. My name's Regan, and I am going to be your guide for this exploration. I am an artist and a writer and a longtime student of what I would call the esoteric and contemplative spiritual traditions. I left my upbringing in Christianity and went east. I studied Buddhism for a long time and was very enriched by that exploration. And then I felt it was time for me to come home, and I found myself delving into the field of Western esotericism, depth psychology, Western mythologies, and always there's a thread of poetry behind this because poetic language is very symbolic, and it's like a window or a framework that lets you pass through it into deeper experiences. So along this pathway, I encountered now and again the tarot cards, and I was quite resistant initially. I wasn't very drawn to the new agey aspect of it or the fortune telling kind of ideas of it that people have used it for. So I kind of pushed it away for a long time. But then I stumbled on a couple of resources that I found incredibly inspiring. So within this course series, which will begin with the magician, we will be studying symbolism, archetypes, mythology, and the deeper esoteric teachings through the framework of the 22 major arcana of the tarot. So this is not a course on using the tarot as a fortune-telling tool or reading the cards necessarily. What we are going to be doing is using the cards as windows. So in a sense, we are reading the cards to delve in deeper to the teachings that they symbolize, what they represent, and the reasons behind the imagery itself. What I'm inviting you to is to enter into your own inquiry and your own exploration. You take what resonates and you leave the rest. Your own experience is always the lens through which you will experience reality. Learning to honor and respect that perspective is really what this class is about, and doing that through the keys of the major arcana. So I'm really excited to share the fruits thus far of my own exploration with you in this series, and thank you for watching. I hope you find this material as profound as I do.